family and friends, welcome to my home. I am your host, Gigi Faison, and today, you guys, I am so excited. Today is my birthday, and today I will also be sharing with you my Christmas home tour. You guys, it's going to be a very merry Peacock Christmas at the Faison household. Now today I have with me my cameraman who happens to be my husband, and he would like to also wish you all a
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
And a Peacock Day.
It's my birthday, you guys. I am so excited. Okay, enough about me, enough about my birthday, but you guys, go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're gonna drink and enjoy this Christmas home tour, as it is a very merry Peacock home tour for 2021. Be blessed, you guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From my home to yours, I am your host, Gigi Faison, and it's my birthday. Okay, hi. Okay, you guys, we're going to start here on the outside. We did not do a whole lot out here this year because the weather has been so bad, but what we have done is added a few lights to our trees of our entranceway, and then on the front porch here we've got 3 trees on one side and a small tree on the other side, and that's so it would not block the camera view. And then on the door I have a wreath that I have embellished and made it into my own by adding our initial and a beautiful bow that I've made. And my little angel here that's sitting in the chair, she looks like she's tired, but the rain has gotten to her. Then on the porch lights, I've just added some wreaths to those lights just to bring it all together on the outside. As you see those wreaths with the bows that I created. So this is what you will find on the outside. As you enter into the inside, you will find love, peace, and joy. And I hope you will find that on the outside, but definitely on the inside. So continue watching, continue to enjoy. These beautiful white poinsettias that you will face as you enter into my home are absolutely gorgeous. They are of velvet, crystal-like, pearls, and diamonds. Beautiful. And I think I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. This is the arrangement in this beautiful mosaic vase with all of the crystals and stones. This is what greets you as you enter into my home. And then over, you will see my living room space. But before we go there, we must check out this beautiful peacock that rests upon my stairway banister. Isn't she gorgeous? You guys, can you see where I'm going with my peacocks, my white, my gold? But just wait until you get a little bit further into my home and we're going to change this up. Now, if you guys did not see my supposedly last tablescape, I will include that in the iCards above. But we have peacocks of major power and color. This is my tree, and this is tree number 2 that I put up for this season. I only put up 4 trees in my home this year. One is upstairs in my bedroom, but I will not be showing my upstairs, only the bottom section of my home. You guys, this tree here was a find from Hobby Lobby last year at the end of season for $80. Now the only problem is, and through research of these trees, is that they have an issue with the lighting. So with this tree, when we started to light it up, it was only sectional lighting. We could not figure out how to get the rest of them to light up. However, that did not stop the show, because so what hubby and I did, we added these twinkling lights. Absolutely gorgeous. So you guys, let me know what you think of my peacock tree. Now, the first time that I saw a peacock tree was over at Miss Catherine Decorating Like a Pro. When I saw her peacock tree a few years ago, I knew that that was something that I wanted to do. And now is the time that I present to you guys my own personal peacock tree for my home tour of 2021. Let me know what you think of what I have done here. I am super excited. I have really enjoyed decorating my home for this holiday season with this peacock theme. All right, you guys, I will stop talking and let you continue to enjoy, but we're almost done. We're going to back all the way out, and then I will bring you and show you what few little decorations that I have placed in my dining area and my kitchen. So continue to watch. Also in my kitchen, I normally have my station set up for Kids Corner with all of their special treats, but that will be in a separate video for a collaboration. So I am intentionally leaving that section out, so you will stay tuned for December 24th collaboration where I will share with you my kids station. So you guys, you see Santa snoozing down at the bottom shelf? Yes, he's taking a nap. He's resting up. He's trying to get ready. So here in my kitchen, you guys, I have above my cabinet some greenery. It's supposed to be lighted greenery, but I failed to light it up. But nevertheless, we shall continue on. The show must continue. In the kitchen area, I only have just a tad bit of red, just to represent those traditional colors of red and green. And next you will go into my dining area, the dining room. If you have not seen this video of my tablescape here, I would include it in the iCards above, but we are nearing the end of this home tour. Okay, you guys, I hope you've enjoyed my home tour. I hope you are enjoying my home tour if you're still watching. However, I want to say if you're new to my channel, I do welcome you here. And if you would like to become a part of, just hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, and therefore you will be in the know each and every time that there's an upload made here. And for those of you that continue to show me so much love and support throughout this year, a virtual hug you shall get. And I thank you all so very much. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's been a very Merry Peacock Christmas.